Hey guys, just want to do a quick video on Claude Projects. Not going to be a long one. It's going to be a short one. But Claude Projects are something that's kind of hidden. It wasn't really covered that much when they did it. Now, what Claude Projects are they're basically like a short term, like an easy local rag that you can set up on your local environment. So desktop's running. Uh, what RAG stands for is Retrieval Augmented Generation RAG for projects. Now you can go into here. It tells you all about how RAG is done, and I've set up RAGs like straight up for agentic purposes, but it has the same knowledge. It does the same thing. Basically, what it does, it allows you to upload a context inside of a Claude code that you can use to make your agent more aware. Now, this agent is not an autonomous agent at first, but it can be like eventually. We'll get into that once get we get down further into the weeds of agents eventually. But right now, we're going to touch base on this one just because I think it'd be useful. Like people are using desktops, and some people are using Claude Code. You really can go to Claude Code Desktop first, and then before you go to Claude Code, you can pretty much feed what you learn and what you have in the desktop into Claude Code. So this can be like your research center and like your little pictures. This is your office admin. So basically, all your people are sitting in the office in the desktop, and then your coders are coding in your VS Code. That's the way I look at it. I try to do separations of concern, but it's everybody's own setup and vibe. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into Claude. You're going to hit new project here. I'll delete this. I have one already. So if you hit new project, this is the free version. So you don't have to pay to get one project after you do one project. I did it this way because I want to show everybody you can just download it for free and you can try it out, right? No payment needed. I think for GPT you do need the $25 or 20 buck thing to get a GPT. I tried it earlier. Anyway, this is a different video. We'll try that anyway. Like GPTs are good too as well. So, and you can do projects in there as well. You can do projects with GPTs. But anyway, I digress. We're talking about Claude now. So Claude, go in. You have your instructions now. The thing is, the trick about this is that you can actually get Claude to write your instructions for you. So what I did in this, I wrote, create me a set of project instructions for Claude Desktop that you're a communication specialist, and write professional emails to attract leads and to do follow-ups, and also will handle calendar and appointment scheduling. And I pasted in the link for projects that I was just showing and reading off of. So I just pasted it in here. You can go back to general, but if there is an LLM on this, I will find it and post it in the bottom. LLM text is the best way to communicate between AI and the web pages. Like you might use Contact 7 and all this stuff, but normally for something like this should be fine. I pasted it in and it gave me this. Ooh, it's probably a little bit lengthy, but hey, whatever. Then all I did was hit the copy button on the bottom, this one, boop, and I went over to projects. I clicked on here, I click on this pen, and I pasted it in. That's it. That's all it did. Now, initially what I did is I wrote, create me a generic email, and I put in my school marketing reality about me page. It fetched the page, it went in, and it literally said, interested in this? Hey there, blah, 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 blah. Gave a pretty decent email. Claude's pretty good at writing anyway. Now, the only thing about this is that if I need to do this again, I literally had to come in, write this here every single time. This might be only one word, but it might get more detailed. Different website, different whatever. Instead, what you can do is go into projects, you create your salesperson or your agent, you give it its instructions, which we already did, and then you do the same thing. So it's asking me direct information that I put in the prompt for, oh, I need an email at least. I need the person's name. I need this. And if you look, we have problems and solution approach, value first approach, recommended outreach, and community first approach. So it came up with 3 options based off its professional way of doing emails. And every one of them is tagged with the address and personal information that I put into the RAG system. Now, what you guys didn't see me do was this. I basically went in and put my contact information in, just to show you that because I did that, it had the RAG information. Now, as I said, if you pictured this now linked to your Notion, any MCP server that you can think of, N8N obviously, you can think now, wait a minute, I can now connect to an N8N server to get my contacts, to do whatever, just by putting it here. So now it can connect to my NCP, know my contact information, know whatever. So if I upload a file here and I wanted to take this file and dump it into somewhere, isn't that possible? So now all of a sudden, see what I'm saying? You can start building onto it. And if you guys want me to do that in another video, please post it down below and ping me. Say thank you for this video. I would like you to cover this, and I'll see what I can do on my YouTube channel. I'm just trying to grow, guys. So with your guys' help, we can get there. And S7S, which is Symbiotic Solutions, will be here to help you in all your AI problems and troubles and successes and all that good stuff. Have a good night, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Later.